Meron na kayong binigay na programa na kung sakali gusto nilang i-dispute yung kanilang electric bill, ay hindi
Yes.
naman kayo magpuputol ng kuryente.
Definitely.
Oh, sige.
Definitely.
Please tell
una
us.
sa lahat, una sa lahat, Pat P and Ricky, thank you for the opportunity. No? Gusto ko lang linawin na hindi namin pulisiya na mag-disconnect ng service ng kuryente habang nakabinbin o pinag-aaralan at sinisiyasat yung complaint o yung concern sa kanilang bill sa kuryente. So habang nire-review yung case nila, wala hong disconnection. At the same time, nananatiling suspended nationwide. Hindi lang sa Meralco sa pagkakaalam ko yung pagpapatupad ng disconnection activities para sa lahat ng hindi nababayarang bill na saklap mula Mayo hanggang Hulyo 2026. Alinsunod naman ito dun sa naunang direktiba ng Energy Regulatory Commission. So, patuloy naming tinutugunan ang lahat ng concern ng mga customers namin, kaugnay ng kanilang bill sa kuryente, maging konsumo man o meron silang complaint o concern sa kanilang meter reading. Through our various customer touchpoints, particularly dun sa aming mga business centers, kung gusto nilang face-to-face. Iba din kasi, marami sa mga kababayan natin, ang feedback sa amin, we'd rather explain this in person. Pwede po yun. Just go to our business centers which are located strategically in our franchise area. At alam mo, Matwi, madagdag ko lang, Ricky, no? Ako, consumer din ako ng kuryente. So I was also, obviously, affected by the upward adjustment in power cost. Naiintindihan ko po yung hinaing o concerns. Kaya nga, sa social media, we try to capture all of those complaints. Yung mga totoong tao na nagpo-post sa social media, because there are also those na parang pag tinrace na namin, iba yung nilalagay nilang customer account number na para bang iba yung details doon, so hindi namin ma-trace o ma-locate, no? But it is very important for us to resolve each and every customer complaint. Kasi namin yan responsibilidad namin yan
Okay.
So kung gusto nila paabot sa amin, we are more than willing.
May follow-up question lang there, Joe, no? Magandang balita yan. Nasabi mo nga, hindi talaga magdi-disconnect. And apparently, not just Meralco, no? So it's a mandate na lahat ng mga distribution companies hindi pwede magpuputol. But if you are disputing your electric bill, do you have to make a formal complaint? And how is the payment done there? Can you do it in tranches? Or kailangan it has to be formally filed? Because otherwise, you are going to eventually, pag hindi nyo bayaran yan, puputulin nyo yan. May hangganan ba? Just take us through the scenarios.
The process. Kunyari, pag kinumplain mo o nireklamo mo yung bill mo, from the get-go, wala na agad disconnection yon, Pat P.
Okay.
Hanggang magkaroon ng final findings. Tapos yung final findings, whether indeed there was a problem in the bill or kung wala namang problema, it was really everything is above board, that will be explained very carefully. So hanggat hindi nagkakaroon ng resolution o hindi nagkakaroon ng information na ipapahayag sa customer kung ano yung final findings, there will be no disconnection.